Ow, that sounded painful. There you go. Now you're getting it, Pat. Oh, there you go. Woo! And you got bumps in there too.
I know. See? I can't.
Now will you try this one, please?
No, not on this one. Well, you're going to make it on my run. You want me to do it? No, I'm going to try it on my run. But Mandy can't. And she won't let us try it on her run. Because this one is for these kinds.
This would work. Hey, Mandy, look at the bottom of it. It's slippery. Now you sit where the black is on your butt. There you go. We got to get on the top of the hill.
For sure. Wow,
Okay.
This is fun.
Okay, here we go.
Hold on, don't. Where do my feet go? I don't even know.
Well, look at the picture. Okay. Read the directions. Mandy, we're trying recording this. Scoot up.
Ow!
There you go. Whee!
Oh, wow. See, Mom, look, it ruined my hill.
Oh, you don't even know. You did that on purpose.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. You just don't like my idea of a sled. There. Oh, yours is so good. It's blowing away.
You have to create.
Haley, will you make a run for me? You didn't even try. Don't throw it in the snowdrift. Now, I want to show Grandma and Papa, who are in warm Southern California, what they're missing.
They're in Nevada.
No, no, I just mailed them something. California.
It's October, by the way, people.
It's October 29th, I think. Thursday, yeah. It's been snowing for 2 days. 2 days of no school, which is unheard of in October. Pretty much they don't cancel school anymore at all, it seems like. Look at the trash cans. Gives you an idea. They're protected though from the snow, because this is the south side of the house. Look at the cool ice. For those of you that have never been in the snow or seen snow before, you're missing all the fun. Even though it's a pain, it's fun. Look at the poor tree across the street. I love that tree, and I got hit with that hailstorm, and now it got ruined with this. So look at this. Mandy shoveled the walkways for me today. Yesterday I did it. We need a snowblower. Oh yeah, and look at that. As you can see, it's not supposed to go down that far. Let's go see what the trampoline looks like if I can get there. Haley, will you make a path for me to sled? Ah! No, I want to use my sled. We got all kinds of bird feeders. I'm so glad I filled them. Wish I would have bought a bird house so they have a warm place to go. Look at the trampoline. How high it is. The kids need to clean that off because it's a brand new pad or whatever you call it. So this is the north side of the house. Crazy. I was going to put sod in, never got around to it, so I wish I would have because it would have watered it, but I don't know, maybe it wouldn't have been good. See our little tree? I'll have to keep going and shaking it off because I just planted it a couple weekends ago. Okay, now, I almost fell. I don't know if you can see how deep this is or not, but it's deep. Hopefully you can see it better on the TV than I can on this screen. I've already had my car out yesterday. The roads weren't that bad. See, he's got a tractor to shovel his driveway. I was going to try to get the ATV out, but the tires are flat and I couldn't get the air compressor to work. Are you making a path for me now?
Nope.
Thank you.
You can go on this one if you use this sled.
I want to use my sled.
This sled goes easier.
Okay, let's see you go on that one.
Okay.
Thank you, Haley. Does that hurt your knees when you do that?
I just fell down.
I've got to go meet with clients this afternoon.
Better than falling over in the other one.
Did you see Haley's wearing my new boots?
No.
Oh, are they warm? Oh, see, I found these cute little sleds at Ace Hardware. And Mandy doesn't like them. She's just stubborn, and I bet they're fun. And I'm going to try it. It even shows.
Yeah, because she's
Here, I'll show you what the picture looks like.
She's lazy and we're making her tail.
See, look at how much fun that looks. There's an adult on it, like racing or something. a good ad for these people. But we got to figure out how to make it work. They got to get it slick. Now you're making our 2 lanes 1.
That's what I'm doing.
Oh.
Are you making a racetrack?
For just me and her on our sleds.
I told both of you guys you could use this one on these sleds.
On these sleds?
On the good sleds.
I like the bumps you have on yours, Mandy.
I know.
They look fun.
It is fun.
So they let them miss school because it's such bad weather that they want them to be safe. And what are they doing? They're playing in the bad weather.
It's not bad weather.
Trash trucks are able to move. The streets aren't that bad. At least yesterday they weren't. We'll find out in a little bit.
They have chains on.
Huh?
They have chains.
Do they have chains on? Okay.
I had to put chains on one.
I'm gonna have to try my sled.
Ah!
Haley, will you try this, please?
Will you please try it on this?
Haley, will you please try this?
I tried yours. You can try
Okay,
this.
but first Haley's got to try this one so I can record it. You got to get to the top of the hill. Mandy's problem was she was stubborn and didn't want it to work. How's the guy sitting on it on the picture? That was a good one, Mandy. Too bad I didn't get it on film. Oh, okay. Well, my legs are too long for that. Okay.
That looks like a blast.
You gotta have balance.
That's awesome, Haley.
You gotta have balance.
Alright, Mom, I'm recording you.
Then I'm not gonna do it.
Okay, do you want to do this one?